I never thought I'd say this, Shadow the Hedgehog. I'm unsubscribing.
You just turned your head around like 360 degrees like, oh, that was fucking cool. Just go out and like piss on a grave of someone who was a good person. That was great. Thanks for going to Chuck E. Cheese with me.
I always the flame, so my appearance is a must, and I'll punish you for greed and...
You're gonna regret saying that, streamer boy.
I hate you! I hate you! This is my big fucking thing!
Yet again, it seems like you have confused legality and Okay, so I'm gonna have to break down the myth of Americana and yeah, you know what? Figure it out yourself. I shouldn't explain everything to you.
You just turned your head around like 360 degrees like, oh, that was fucking cool. It scared the shit out of me. Don't do that again.
Great, thanks for going to Chuck E. Cheese with me. I kind of forgot the whole sin thing, but you know, we got a bunch of tickets, I got some sticky hands.
The point is, just go out and piss on a grave of someone who was a good person.
I always the flame, so my appearance is a must, and I'll punish you for greed and...